Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game stuttering, freezing, lagging or FPS drops on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam, restart Ubisoft or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Now relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If you have the game on Ubisoft, then close the Ubisoft. Also make sure Ubisoft is closed from here and then relaunch Ubisoft and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 2. Run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So wherever you have installed the game, open the game installation folder. If you have the game on Steam, then open C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game folder. Now first double click this AC Black Flag exe file and then try to launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players. So launch the game from the game installation folder and check. Now if that doesn't work, then right click on AC Black Flag exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time select run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all of them and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to try to launch the game from Ubisoft. Now if you have the game on Steam and when you launch the game from Steam, it will launch the Ubisoft Connect. So simply launch the Ubisoft Connect and then close the Steam. Don't forget to close the Steam. Simply right click on Steam and then click on exit, and after exiting the Steam, click on play button to launch the game from the Ubisoft and check. Fix 4. Delete Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first if you want to keep the backup. So here how to do it. So open File Explorer, then click on Documents on the left, and inside the document you will see this Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. First right click on it and then copy it and then go to desktop and keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Then also go to C drive, users, your username, app data, local, Ubisoft. Then right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced folder and then select delete to delete it. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open local folder, then open the Ubisoft folder, and inside the Ubisoft folder you will find this Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced folder. Right click on it first, then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options. And if you have the game on Ubisoft, then open Ubisoft, go to library and then select Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and then click on settings and then click on properties. Now here you will see the enter launch arguments. So first type -DX11, click on save and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then this time select -DX12, then click on save and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the launch arguments, close it, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to update your graphics card driver. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users, in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users can open AMD Adrenal software on their PC and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then you can download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Assassin's Creed Black Flag recent game folder, and then select AC Black Flag exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Assassin's Creed Black Flag recent game folder, select this AC Black Flag exe file and then click on open, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list, and next to the game, make sure both private and public is tick mark. This is just an example. You have to make sure that Assassin's Creed Black Flag recent game is added over here and both private and public is tick mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, WebRoot, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then launch the game and check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 9 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag recent game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Assassin's Creed Black Flag recent game folder, then select this AC Black Flag exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to turn off or turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and you have to restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings, expand advanced graphics settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off and then just restart your PC, and after a PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. And if it is turned off, then turn it on and then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to set power saver in power options, or you can also try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel, then click on hardware and sound, then click on power options. Now in my case it is only showing balanced, But in your case, if it is showing balanced, power saver, high performance, then first select power saver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then you can also select high performance and then launch the game and check. Or you can also select the balanced option. So you have to basically switch between these three options and see which one works for you. Fix 13 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it. Now if you have the game on Ubisoft Connect, then open the Ubisoft Connect, go to library, select the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Racing game. This is just an example, and then click on the settings icon, then click on properties, and here you will see the interface option, and then you will find the verify the game files or repair the game files. So perform this, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. So open NVIDIA app, go to settings, and here you will see the NVIDIA overlay. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. and then launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 15 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Racing game, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Assassin's Creed Black Flag Racing game, stuttering, freezing, lagging or FPS drops on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.